Hey everyone, are you new to Snapchat? This download guide is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Snapchat. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Play Store app on your phone. Now, in the search bar, type Snapchat and hit enter. You should see the official Snapchat app with the ghost logo. Make sure it's the official app to avoid any fakes. Once you found it, tap on the install button. Now just wait for the download and installation to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Alright, the installation is finished. Now you can either tap open right here in Play Store or you can find the Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the icon to launch Snapchat. And there you have it. Snapchat is now on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.